Hello everyone and welcome to Marian's Opening Bell. My name is John. I am the Membership Director at the Foundation for the Study of Cycles, and it is my pleasure to be your host for today, every day. We are live from Bucharest, Romania and broadcast worldwide. And we are live every day actually from Monday to Friday, every New York Stock Exchange day. Now, have in mind, like every time, the attendees will be muted in this webinar, and for any questions that you might have, please just email me at i.guta@cycles.cc. And let's continue reading the disclaimer. If you want to read it yourself, you can find it in the Meeting Info tab. Futures, options, and Forex are leveraged instruments, and you can lose all your money. The content in this webcast is for educational and research purposes only. The Foundation for the Study of Cycles is not an investment advisor and is not trying to sell you any securities. You as a viewer are responsible for your own trading, both the gains and the losses. There is a very high degree of risk involved in trading, and past results are not indicative of future returns. The Foundation for the Study of Cycles and all individuals affiliated with us inside and outside this webcast assume zero responsibilities for any individual viewer's trading and investment results. The cycles and planetary indicators and all other features in this webcast are for educational and research purposes only and should never be construed as investment advice on any one particular asset to any one particular person at any one particular time. Any personal use of our timing and trading observations is entirely at your own sole and personal financial risk, and it is your own sole and personal financial responsibility to evaluate the accuracy, completeness, and usefulness of the information provided. Now, with that in mind, I am presenting you the Foundation Executive Vice President and Head of Research, Marian Guță. Hi, Marian.
Hello, John. Hello, everyone. Let's start. First, we'll start presenting the future file. These are the assets we are tracking. We have recently closed 2 trades, and we have 1 open, still open. On the watch list, we have around 10 assets. Let's present the Forex. We have 6 open trades, 1 recent closed, and 3 on the watch list. Let's start presenting. First asset is corn. The cycle is 32.60. The cycle currently is presenting a top, then a decline period. We are seeing the bottom of the cycle on July 5. I have been in a long position from May 19, currently have exit recently on June 14. This trade has gained 2.01%. The paradigm signal, why I have exit the trade, the cycle it was presenting a top, and the paradigm signal is presenting a decline period. So it's looking kind of dangerous currently. Today I'm NTR, no trade recorded. Next asset is wheat. Cycle is 29.90. The cycle is still presenting a positive movement with the top around June 26. I have entered in a long position on May 19 and I have exited at the same date as scored on June 14. This trade have given 2.24%. So why I have exit wheat, corn and wheat, both of them are having a high percent of correlation. Currently corn was presenting, the cycle was presenting the top, the paradigm signal was presenting the top, wheat was presenting still a positive movement. So I have exited this trade to be sure I'm covered. It's looking like today it was a positive day, and yesterday it is a positive day, and yesterday it was a positive day. If I was remaining in the trade, I was around 5.69% positive. So it's looking like I have did a bad choice to exit the trade. It was too soon. Anyway, the paradigm signal is presenting currently a topping period, then a decline. So be aware of that. Currently, I'm NTR in this asset, no trade recorded, but still, recently we did 2 good trades in corn and wheat. Next asset, soybeans. Cycle 30.00. The cycle is presenting a positive movement. I have entered in a long position on June 5, currently positive 1.80%. The paradigm signal is presenting a longer-term positive movement. We are seeing the moving average top around August 8. So currently I'm in a long position in soybeans and I'm maintaining this long position. Let's present one more time the trace record and start presenting the watch list. First watch list, asset S&P 500. Currently the cycle is presenting a top, then a decline period until July 5th. The paradigm signal is presenting currently a decline on primary. We are seeing the low point around June 27. Currently I'm searching for a short position in S&P 500. I didn't enter it. NTR today. T-bonds, cycle 45.20. The cycle is presenting a positive movement. The paradigm signal, again, if you guys have remembered, we are seeing an important icicle on June 14, then a positive movement after that. Currently, I'm searching for a short or long position in T-bonds. I didn't enter it. Today, NTR, no trade recorded. Next asset, gold. Cycle 27.90. The cycle is presenting a topping, then a decline period. We are seeing the bottom of the cycle on July 6. The paradigm signal has presented an important spike on June 6, then a decline period. It's looking like it has catch perfectly this decline. Okay. Currently, I'm searching for a long position. I'm preparing myself for a long position in gold and actually in silver too. I don't want to take this short position. Silver, it's currently presenting a decline with the bottom around June 26. The paradigm signal again have worked really nice for a really long period. It has presented a decline period, a positive movement currently, then another decline period. We are seeing the lowest point around July 17. So the paradigm signal is presenting a bottom around July 17, then a positive movement after that in silver. Currently, it's looking like the cycle and the planetary signal is presenting a decline in gold and silver. I'm NTR, no trade recorded. Let's continue the next asset. Crude oil, cycle 27.30. The cycle currently is presenting a positive movement. The paradigm signal, we are seeing an important icicle on June 15, yesterday. We are seeing another one with the moving average bottom on June 23, then a positive movement after that. So currently, I'm searching for a long position in crude oil. I didn't enter yet. I'm preparing myself for a long position. Let's continue the next asset. Gasoline. Cycle 50.00. The cycle is presenting a positive movement. The paradigm signal, the moving average, is presenting a bottoming period, then a positive movement after that. Again, we are seeing an important icicle on June 23, and one it have already passed around June 9. So at this point, the paradigm signal is presenting a bottoming period, then a positive movement. I'm searching for a good entering point for a long position in gasoline and crude oil. Currently, I'm NTR, no trade recorded. Natural gas, cycle 25.70. The cycle is presenting a positive movement. The paradigm signal is presenting a positive movement on primary. We are seeing two important spikes, one on June 28 and second one on July 3. Currently, I'm NTR, no trade recorded. Let's continue the next asset on the watch list, sugar. Cycle 34.70, the cycle is presenting a bottoming period around June 22, not too far away. Then a positive movement after that with the top around July 17. Okay? The paradigm signal is presenting a bottoming period. Then a positive movement after that. We are seeing an important icicle on June 19. So again, I'm searching for a long position in sugar. I didn't enter yet. NTR today, no trade recorded. Next asset, coffee. Cycle 30.30, the cycle is presenting a positive movement with the bottom around July 6. The paradigm signal is presenting currently an important icicle on June 13, a positive movement after that until June 23, then another decline period. We are seeing the lowest point on July 11. It's looking like this will be a really good entering point for a long position. So you will have to pay attention to this market. Again, I'm preparing for a long position in coffee. I didn't enter yet. Next asset, copper. Cycle 25.00, the cycle is presenting a positive movement currently. The paradigm signal, which have worked phenomenal for the past couple of months, is still presenting a decline with an important icicle on June 19, not too far away. Bottoming period after that, we are seeing another important icicle on July 3, then a positive movement. So currently, I'm searching for a good entering point for copper, for long position. Again, the paradigm signal is presenting a bottoming period. The cycle is presenting a positive movement. I'm searching for a good entering point for a long position in cotton. Okay, these are the assets on the watch list. Currently on future, we have just one open trade. Let's continue with Forex. First asset in Forex is Euro AUD. The cycle is 45.30. The cycle is presenting a decline period with the bottom around June 22, not too far away. I have entered in a short position on June 2nd, currently positive 3.13%. This is a really good trade. The paradigm signal is presenting basically right now a decline period. We have an important icicle on June 21, then a positive movement for a couple of days, then another decline. We are seeing the lowest point on July 26. So currently I'm in a short position in this asset and I'm maintaining this position for the moment. Let's continue with the next asset, Euro CAD. Cycle 37.90. The cycle, it has catch perfectly the top and it's looking like it's having the bottom of the cycle on July 3. I have entered in a short position on June 2nd. Currently positive 2.91%. Again, a really good trade. The paradigm signal is presenting an important icicle on June 15, yesterday. Bottoming period with a positive movement until this high spike on June 29, then another decline with the lowest point on July 26. So currently in Euro AUD and Euro CAD, I'm having some important stop levels, and I'm searching to exit probably for a couple of days. Then I will probably enter again in a short position after this important spike. Both of them are presenting another decline period, but after this June 29. Let's continue with the next asset, Euro CHF. The cycle is 35.10. The cycle currently is presenting a decline period. It's looking like it have invert recently. It was presenting a bottom, it actually was a top, now it's presenting a top, it probably can be a bottom. So I'm paying attention to this market. I have entered in a short position on May 16, currently positive 0.39%. The paradigm signal has present an important icicle on June 13, which we have passed it. Then a positive movement after that. So I have some really tight stops on this Euro CHF. I will not want to pass the entering price level. Okay, so I would exit before this price will go above it. Anyway, let's continue. I'm still in a short position. Let's continue with the next asset, Euro JPY. The cycle is 35.40. The cycle currently is presenting a topping period, then a decline. I have entered in a short position on May 25, currently positive 0.87%. the cycle is presenting a decline period. The better than signal is presenting a decline period with two important spikes, one on May 15, second one on May 22. So the cycle is presenting a decline period. The better than signal is still presenting a decline period. We are seeing currently a positive movement in the better than signal, then another decline, with the lowest point on June 26. So currently I'm in a short position, I'm maintaining this short position. Let's continue with the next asset, Euro USD. The cycle is 37.10. The cycle is presenting a decline. The better than signal is presenting a decline. We are seeing three important icicles, one on June 19, second one on July 3, and third one, the lowest one, on July 17. So currently, again, I'm in a short position and I'm maintaining this short position, currently positive 0.68%. Let's continue with the next asset, JBP JPY. The cycle is 38.60. The cycle is presenting a decline. I have been in a short position from May 25 and I have exited on June 13. This trade have gained 3.85%. The better line signal has presented a positive movement. So because that I have exited the trade, it has presented a positive movement. We are seeing an important spike around June 19, I think it is. We are having this moving average, let's take 14, June 16, June 19, something like that. Then another decline period with the lowest point on June 26. So currently the better than signal and the cycle is still presenting a decline period. I'm staying away of this market until the bottom will happen, then try to enter in a long position. Let's continue with the next asset, USD CHF. The cycle is 25.50. The cycle is presenting a positive movement. I have entered in a long position on June 8, currently positive 0.82%. The better than signal is presenting a bottoming period, then a positive movement after two important spikes, one on June 26 and second one on July 17. So the better than signal is still presenting a positive movement, the cycle is still presenting a positive movement. I'm maintaining my long position in this asset. Okay, these are the current trades. And let's start presenting the watch list. AUD/JPY. The cycle currently is presenting a decline with the bottom around June 28. The better than signal has presented an important spike on June 14, then a decline period until this June 26, then another positive movement after that. Currently, I'm NTR in this asset. Next asset, JBP/CHF. Cycle 44.30. The cycle is looking like it has inverted recently. It's presenting a bottom, and here it's actually the top. It's presenting now a top. It can be probably the bottom. The better than signal is presenting a bottoming period. We are seeing an important icicle on June 13, a positive movement after that. So currently I'm searching for a long position in this asset. I'm NTR today, no trade recordable. I'm searching for a long position. Next and the last asset, USD/JPY. Cycle 31.40. The cycle currently is presenting a bottoming period, then a positive movement until this July 11. The better than signal is presenting a decline period currently, then a positive movement after that. We have the high spike on September 5. So currently I'm searching for a long position in USD/JPY. I didn't enter yet, NTR today. Okay, let's present one more time the future file for the people who have entered later. So just one open trade in the future file. Okay, it's looking like we have reached the last part of the meeting. I hope you guys have enjoyed this, and see you Monday. Take care. John, please ring the opening bell.